Constitution Day. The Constitution Day or National Law Day or Samvidan Divas is celebrated every year on 26th November to honor and appreciation of the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Constitution. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country. It provides the fundamental rights, codes, principles, and duties of the citizens towards the country.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, madam, teachers and all my dear friends. As I get an opportunity today with immense pride and joy as we are celebrating significant day in the history of our nation. On this day, 73 years ago, our visionary leader listed as the last written document of a book of rules, which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as the chairman of drafting committee, or he is the father of Indian Constitution, is a beacon hope, is a symbol of unity in diversity and guarantee fundamental rights and duties. They toiled hard to create a framework that would guide us to emphasize or to
The Constitution Day is celebrated every year on 26th November. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is considered a chief architect of the Indian Constitution and is often referred to as its father. India's independence on 26th November 1949, which came into effect on 26th January 1950. The Constitution Day is also known as its Samvidan because the Republic is governed in terms of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constitution Assembly on 26th November 1949. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. He was also a member of other important committees. My name is Ashwini Sonia of class 6. Today I got an opportunity with England as we are celebrating Constitution Day in India to commemorate the speaking of Constitution. This important document, which was adopted on January 26, 1950, and it serves as the foundation of our country. The Indian Constitution sets us how our government works and guarantees basic rights to all people. Our Constitution guarantees the fundamental rights and the duties to all citizens. It includes these fundamental rights in Part 3 of Constitution. These fundamental rights form a base for the moral and spiritual development of the citizen. It states, a very happy morning everyone. I am another of class 8B. Today we gather to commemorate a momentous occasion in the history of our great nation, Constitution Day. On this day, November 26, 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect on January 26, 1950. The Constitution of India is a I think about Indian Constitution Day. Indian Constitution Day is also known as Samvidan Day. In our country, it is celebrated on 26th November, and it is 77th Constitution Day of India. It is consists of 395 articles and 22 parts and 8 schedules. The Constitution my name is K.R. Chandra. I am studying in Today I am here to give a speech on Constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of our country. It is the longest written constitution in the world and came into effect on 26 January 1950, which we celebrate as Republic Day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. A team of brilliant leaders and thinkers worked hard to draft it. The Constitution is based on 3 key principles: justice, liberty.
one of the ABC.
Good morning everyone. My name is S. Kaushik from SBC. First, we wish you all happy Constitution Day. First one, significance. Constitution Day in India is celebrated on November 26 to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution. In 1949, the Constitution freed the country, fundamental government documents and came into force on February 26, 1950, which is why India celebrates Republic Day on that day.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Mr. Classroom. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Day, in honor of the adoption of Constitution of India on 26th November 1949. The Constituent Assembly, under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, adopted the Constitution.
The Constitution is a piece of paper which holds the legal rights of every citizen and keeps them in dignity. And the Constitution was created on 26 November 1950 and was 1949 and was adopted.
A constitution is a set of fundamental principles that govern other organizations. It's usually to establish our entity. Good morning, respected madam, teachers, students, and dear friends. Today we gather to celebrate and reflect on the significance of the Constitution of India, adopted on November 26, 1949, and imposed on January 26, 1950. Our Constitution is the supreme law of the land. The Constitution of India is a responsible document that outlines the framework of
Good morning everyone, I am Srishti of class 10. National Constitution Day in India is observed on November 26th every year. It commemorates the adoption of the Constitution of India, which was drafted by the Constitution Assembly and adopted on this day. In 1949, the Constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950, making India's transition into a sovereign republic. The day was officially designed, designated for Constitution Day, Samvidhan દિવસ, in 2050 by the Government of India, to promote awareness about the Constitution and the principles enshrined within it. This initiative was part of the Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's vision, as he played a vital role in the drafting process. On this day, various activities such as reading the preamble to the Constitution, seminars, discussions, and events are organized across schools, colleges, and government institutions to highlight the significance of the Constitution and its role in safeguarding democratic values. Thank you. My name is Shanti from class 7. Myself is class 7.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we walk hand in hand someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we walk hand in hand someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid today. Thank you.
After listening to you, I remember my school days because we sang this song when I was in school.